warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ananda Saljinata, his student ID 2412006. Today I will present a discussion on perception and individual decision making. Perception and individual decision making are closely related psychology process that play a crucial role in organizational behavior. Perception refers to the process by which individuals interpret and make sense of their sensory impression in order to give meaning to the environment. In the workplace, perception influences how employees view tasks, college, manager, and organizational politics. Since perception is subjective, two individuals can experience the same situation yet interpret it in completely different way. This subjectivity often stems from factors such as past experience, personality, attitude, expectation, and cultural background. The process of perception involves three main steps: attention, organization, and interpretation. First, individual selective focus on certain stimuli in their environment while ignoring others. Improve organizational effectiveness. It is a multidisciplinary field that draws from psychology, sociology, anthropology, and even political science, all of which are asked to understand human behavior in a work context. With this understanding, organizational can create more human policies and management strategy that aligns with real employee behavior. A fundamental aspect of organizational behavior is understanding individuals as the small unit within the organization. Individuals bring their own characteristics such as perception, value, attitudes, personality, and emotion, which all influence how they respond to tasks and social interaction in the workplace. For example, two people from different backgrounds may reach very differently to work pressure or structure change. Therefore, managers need to have a basic psychology understanding to build healthy relationships with subordinates and help them thrive in a dynamic work environment. Then, they organize information using mental framework or schema. Finally, they interpret the information based on their personal context. This process can lead to perceptual error or bias such as stereotyping, the halo effect, selective perception, and projection, which can distort judgment and affect interpersonal interaction in the workplace. Individual decision making is the process of making choice among alternatives based on perceived information. In an organizational setting, employee consistent make decisions ranging from routine daily tasks to more complex problem-solving situations. The quality of this decision largely depends on how accurately an individual perceives the situation. The rational decision-making model suggests that individuals follow a logical, step-by-step process. Identify the problem, gathering information, evaluating alternatives, making the choice, and implementing the decision. However, in reality, decisions are often made under constraints such as limited time, incomplete information, or emotional influence. Because of this constraint, individuals tend to rely on heuristic or mental shortcuts to simplify decision making. While heuristic can be useful, they can also lead to cognitive bias such as overconfidence, anchoring, availability bias, or confirmation bias. This bias can result in suboptimal decisions, particularly in high-stake or uncertain situation. Emotional intelligence also plays a role in decision making, as emotion can influence both the process and outcome of decisions, sometimes enhancing insight, but other times clouding judgment. Understanding how perception and decision making work is essential for improving individual effectiveness in this workplace. By becoming more aware of their own perceptual tendencies and decision making habits, employees and managers can make more accurate assessments, reduce bias, and choose better courses of action. Organizations can support this by promoting self-awareness, encouraging these diverse perspectives, and providing training on critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The concludes my presentation on perception and individual decision making. I hope this discussion provides value insight into the importance of ethical leadership. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.